My favorite way to prepare salmon. Now, that is a beautiful knife. Anyways, as a cook on a commercial fishing boat as well as a sport fisherman for my entire life, I have prepared salmon in many, many different ways. Dozens, I would say. And the recipe that I return to most frequently is the one I'm sharing with you today. Sliced onions, fresh ginger, fresh garlic. Yes, I peel my ginger with a spoon. It's much easier. Soy, balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of sugar, some crushed red pepper, sesame oil, black pepper. No, you're not going to have to remember all those ingredients. You can go to mankitchen.com and read the full recipe. I portion my salmon into thick pieces and thin pieces. They go flesh side down into the marinade. I like to let them soak for at least a half an hour. You could soak them all day. It's not going to do any harm. I create a pan out of tin foil, fold up the edges so that the marinade doesn't run out. Onions go into the bottom of that. Salmon goes on top of the onions, skin side down. I put the thick pieces around the edges because that's where the highest concentration of heat will be. The thinner pieces, like the belly sections and collars, will go in the middle because that is where the heat will be the lowest. I portion the salmon this way because I want to be able to remove pieces as soon as they're done as opposed to waiting for an entire fillet to be finished, in which case, invariably, all the belly meat is overcooked before the thick sections are finished. You want the interior of the salmon to be just slightly darker than the outside. If it's the same uniform color all the way through, it is probably overdone. Reduce that sauce, finish caramelizing the onions, pour it over the top, and serve immediately. Check out the full recipe on mankitchen.com.